Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video. So after we have our pineapple nice and cored and sliced, we cut up the rind into smaller pieces, and if you'd like to fillet the pieces out, I'm just making little slices down into it. Cuts very easily. And then I am going to, I think I'll do one this way as well. And then I'm just going to pick it up and kind of bend it, and I can just use my fillet knife and it just slices off quite easily. And then this piece I just throw out, or you can nibble on it if you want, but this way you don't waste as much, so that's kind of easy. So I'll do another one just for kicks. So I'm just making some slices down it in both directions.
Be careful of your fingers not to cut them.
And then I'm going to take a place and just kind of, I'm bending it back, and then I'll stick my knife down in there, and then I can just slice it off. And if I want, if I've got some on this end, I can just turn it around and get this stuff as well. So there I have a whole bunch of small pieces of pineapple.
Yep, and we don't scrape the knife with the sharp edge on the cutting board because it will dull the knife.
So you scrape this way.
With the back side down.
Okay, and I think I'll go once in the middle on this one. Okay. So again, I'm just bending back. See how I'm kind of exposing the pieces, and then I can slide my knife in there.
That looks really safe as far as not cutting your fingers too.
And maybe I got a little bit too far down on that one, so see, I cut a piece out. There we go. There we go, and there's our scrap.
You make it look so easy. I guess that's why you do the DIY thing, huh?
I guess so.
That's how you get your vitamin C.